In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track inventory in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your items, see how much you have on hand, and generate a clear report you can tailor to your needs. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and looking at the main left-hand navigation. Click on Sales on the left panel. This brings you into the Sales Center, which is where you'll manage things like customers, invoices, and most importantly for today, your items. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. QuickBooks sometimes updates the interface, but the sales area will still be in the left menu. Next, go to the Products and Services tab. This is your Inventory Command Center. It's where all of your products and services live, including inventory items you buy and sell, non-inventory parts, and pure services. If you're in a role with limited permissions, or if inventory tracking isn't part of your subscription, you might see fewer options here. In that case, check with your account admin or review your plan details. Here, you'll see a list of all your products and services, along with their quantity on hand. Quantity on hand reflects what QuickBooks calculates based on your purchases, sales, and any adjustments you've recorded. Keep an eye out for negatives or low numbers. Those usually mean items are selling faster than you're replenishing them. You can use the search bar to find items quickly, and you can sort columns to see what's running low or what's most active. If you want a deeper snapshot, you can run a report on your products by clicking on More at the top right. This menu gives you additional tools for the list you're viewing without leaving the page. Then select Run Report. QuickBooks will open a report showing your product and service details, so you can analyze what you have, what it's worth, and how it's moving. Think of this as a bird's eye view that you can drill into. From here, you can customize the report to fit how you track your inventory. Adjust the date range to focus on a specific period, show or hide columns like CAQ, income accounts, or quantity on hand, and apply filters to zero in on inventory items only. Grouping and sorting can help highlight bestsellers or slow movers. Once you've dialed in a layout you like, consider saving your customization so you can run it the same way next time or share it with your team. That's all. With the Sales area, the Products and Services tab, and a tailored report, you have a simple, repeatable way to keep inventory accurate and visible.